everyone, I am RJ Abok and I'm here to explain to you how relevant Fibonacci sequence golden ratio is to nature. Some plants express the Fibonacci sequence in their growth points, the place where three branches forms or split. One trunk grows until it produces a branch, resulting in two growth points.
The golden ratio is a mathematical concept dominated by the Greek letter P. It holds a special significance in nature because it appears in various forms, such as spiral in plants and the arrangement of leaves. It is a pattern we see in nature. Even these Citronella plants, its new leaves and petals follows a sequence. 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3 plus 2 equals 5, 5 plus 3 equals 8, 8 plus 5 equals 13, where every new part grows as the sum of the two before it. This pattern helps the Citronella spread its leaves just right, soaking in sunlight efficiently while growing in perfect harmony, just as nature intended.